Okay, so now it's time for the exciting part. We're going to be installing the Threadripper CPU. So there's something, it's actually labeled on the motherboard. See if I can show it to you. See, it says close 1, 2, 3, and then it says open 3, 2, 1. So there's your 3, 2, 1, obviously, so it's telling you. And they are really, both AMD and ASRock are really insistent upon opening and closing it in a certain order. When I am dealing with a, $400 motherboard and 900 and change dollar processor, I'm going to do it the way they tell us. So this is your little AMD tool it comes with. So to open, we're going to do 3, 2, 1. So starting at 3. 2. 1. Okay. Now we are wide open, and we're gonna remove this thing here. Okay, so this is the obviously you take the plastic piece out. Like that. And when you put Threadripper in, hold on. There we go. So this is the piece that people were complaining about. The Foxconn was really flimsy, and they were having trouble getting their CPUs in and out. So I'm hoping that I don't have any issues with it, because this is not the Foxconn one. It's the Lotz one. So then we're just gonna slide this thing in, and you just need to be careful that the frame rails catch the side of the little orange container. So it looks like they did. Looks like everything is the way it's supposed to look. There we go. Seat it in a little bit better. And just being extra careful here. Press those little blue things to pop it in and out. And then we're just going to close this down. And then to close it, the order is 1, 2, 3, starting with 1 up here. And this is actually a torque wrench. It's supposed to click when you hit the proper torque value, I guess. All right, I'm getting the click, so. I don't know, this one didn't feel tight enough. There we go. I think that was the click. There we go. It's like I'm working on the truck, but honestly, this thing was more expensive than some of the truck parts. So there we go. That is the 2950X Ryzen Threadripper installed. Pretty soon I'll be throwing a CPU fan on it and I'll never see it again. So thanks for watching.